The global editors are a web design tool that help you create the unique style of your web project based on the CodyHouse Framework. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the code generated by the global editors into your project. So first of all, we have a basic web page created combining some CodyHouse components, and we have the basic style applied. So we want to change this style using the global editors. I have already gone through some of them and made some changes. For example, I have created a new color palette. Now I can just copy the SCSS of this global editor, go into the framework, and now I should look for the color file into the custom style folder. Now remember, you have to apply the code of the global editors always into the custom style, which is where you set your unique style. Now, inside the file, you see we have some comments which hint where the new code should be placed. We can just paste it here in between the two comments and save. Now, if we check again the project, you'll see the color palette has been updated. The new primary color is no longer blue, but is green. And we can do the same for all the other globals as well. For example, we can update typography. Oops. We can update the buttons. And the forms as well. Now if we save and go back to the page, now you can see the look and feel of the page is different. We have a new typography with two different fonts. The form elements have been updated as well, and the buttons have been changed. So that's all about integrating the global editors into your project based on the CodyHouse framework, and thanks for watching.